suffix. Like prefix, which we divided into two parts, pre and fix, suffix cannot be divided into two parts like suff and fix, because the word suff, it does not have any meaning. It does not exist as a word. So no word, no meaning. You cannot divide it in the way we divided prefix. However, fix means put and fasten. So in the way we talked about prefix, put before, suffix, we cannot divide this in that way. We have to take suffix as a single word, a single unit, a single entity, and talk about as a single word. It means a suffix is added to the end of a root word. Let's see examples about suffix. We have the root word love, and we add a set of letters, ly, at the end of this root word, and we have a new word, lovely. Likewise, fear, less, and then we have a new word, fearless. We have the root word quick, we have suffix ly, and then we have a new word, quickly. Play, the root word, we put suffix ing, and then we have a new word, playing. Now cook, we put suffix ed at the end, of course, and then it becomes cooked. So we have the examples of suffixes in this way. We have some more examples to talk about verb suffixes. Invest, we add ment, and then we have a new word, especially grammatical form of the same word, investment. Then we have write, suffix r, and then we have a new word, writer. We have the root word, read, we add er at the end, of course, and then it becomes reader. Likewise, we have sing, we add suffix ing, and then we have the present continuous form, singing. We have open, we add suffix ed, and then we have the past form of the word, opened. So what we come to the point is that suffix is a set of letters or even a single letter which are added at the end of a root word. Okay?